Let's go. Let's look at my writtens real quick.
Walking on shattered glass, try to freestyle and see how long it lasts. How long it lasts. Walking on shattered glass, try to freestyle and see how long it lasts. Let's go back to math class, get straight A's, now kiss my ass, now we go down. This is a blast. Music is the one thing, see how long it lasts. Got this shit like a motherfucking flag, and all of these people get off my back. Yeah, this is freestyle, I'm going so fast. If you really wanna hurt me, man, kiss my ass, cause I still see through you just like glass. Let's see how long I blast off, I freaking fuck my ass off. So let's keep going, let's keep flying, let's keep going. Keep on denying the fact that I've been breaking my back. To keep on going just to make a stack. Spitting, living, everybody knows I'm driving to the flow. I am thriving, I am writing, I keep on reciting in the same home, the same place. I still see the same faces, the same faces, the same faces, the same faces. I still see the same faces, the same faces, the same faces. I don't wanna play another game just like Candyland. We keep going, man, cause I got some handy hands. I pick up a mic and I spit another verse. It's always a freestyle, so no room to rehearse. Man, this was freaking written, but then it wasn't finished. So I guess I gotta drop the book, cause this rap is diminished. Another dimension of another invention. We keep on going, man, cause this another intervention. So Christian Bernie, man, he has a self-esteem that is low. So he gets on the music, then it rises out of control. Man, I'ma be me no matter what people say. Have you ever felt this way? But I'ma keep on going, 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 I'ma keep on going no matter what people say. So I rise it up like a tower. I write a new rap 33 per hour. I always do this thing with my hand. That means I am a freestyle artist. I love to jam, so I go into this thing, slide through like Pam. And if you really wanna fight with me, we'll just get slammed to the mat. Bring it on back to the mat. Bring it on back. What do you lack? The slack to be intelligent and knowledgeable. Cause we keep on going, man, cause we spinning out of control. We got a new phone, yeah, we got a new song. If you really wanna hate on me, well, I'ma stay strong, not weak. I'ma keep going, strong all week, yeah. I'ma keep going, strong all week. I'ma keep going, I'ma keep going. I'ma fly to the sky, so I wake up, find another thing to break up. This is the one thing I will never mistake of. Have you ever felt like you were gonna stop? Music is the only one thing I got.
Alright, these are just freestyles, off top brain. I'm still writing music, so just,